Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the value of Toyota Safety Sense in my 2025 Toyota Sienna. I was driving down the highway, keeping a safe distance with cruise control enabled at the third furthest setting, and all these cars decided to cut over early when the lane was ending on the left side, and I decided to get a drink of water from my water bottle, and this happened.
That's because the AIs haven't taken over yet. That's why they're going to wipe us out the minute they do. You also could. There's a dedicated YouTube channel for intelligent machines. Best thing to do is subscribe in your favorite podcast client. That way you'll get it automatically too. You also could. There's a dedicated YouTube channel for intelligent machines. Best thing to do is subscribe.
I've been driving 20 years. I've never been in an at-fault accident. I didn't really think I needed the emergency brake feature of Toyota Safety Sense. I was more interested in the adaptive cruise and the lane keep, but this proves that it saved me an insurance claim and an accident. I definitely would have been at fault here. It wasn't really a swoop and squat. It was just drivers being stupid, and I would have totally rented this truck. But I'm glad I had Safety Sense. Thanks for watching.